Hi everyone, this is Rachel from James Pump, a 10-year professional factory for AODD pumps and spare parts. Today I'll show you the 3D exploded value of our GP4 1.5 clamped metal pump. This pump boasts a max flow rate of 288 liters per minute, with 3 verted material options: aluminum, cast iron, stainless steel. All James products come with 1-to-1 exploded values. They ensure precise mold making, 100% compatibility with lden P4, designed with ease of maintenance in mind. Clamped pumps are simple to install and are made of quick serviceability, allowing the pump to be taken apart and put back together with only a single tool. If you have any needs, contact us.